What is going on, guys? It's Alex from TechHarris, and this is my Freedom Phone. Welcome back, guys. It's Alex again. This is my Freedom Phone. Not the Freedom Phone, but my Freedom Phone. So I wrote an article just a few days ago talking about the Freedom Phone and how I just don't think it's a wise idea to purchase that device. I get the idea behind it, but it's just a Chinese Umidigi device that I'm not sure that I trust that much. And the makers of the Freedom Phone, I'm not sure I trust either. So, in light of that, I know a lot of people have been wanting their own Freedom Phone, so I decided to purchase a phone and install LineageOS on it without Google Apps, which kind of pretty much makes it a Freedom Phone. I'm going to unbox this phone here. There are plenty of phones on the market right now that you can do this with. I'll link to LineageOS in the description below, and you'll see the device list. And this is just one of the many devices that are compatible with LineageOS. It takes a little bit of time and effort to install LineageOS on your device, and there are a lot of things to be aware of when you do such a thing. But I'm going to write that up in an article on how to exactly do this and get a phone that is free of Google Apps, free of Google services, free of Google spyware, and then you can make the choice on whether or not you want to do this. You just have to be aware that there are going to be some things that you just can't do on a phone that doesn't have those types of services. But at the same time, most of what you can do on a regular Android phone or an iOS phone, on a de-Google phone, you can do on these phones, on anything with LineageOS installed. It just takes a little extra effort, and not a lot of people want to go through that extra effort. But at any rate, let me unbox this phone so you can see exactly what we're going to be working with. So I am going to take it off camera because I don't want you guys to see the box and for it to be revealed too soon. So Freedom Phone. I'm going to crack this in. This is a brand new phone. This is still fresh from the manufacturer. The box has never been opened, and you can find these phones in aplenty. There's a lot of them on Swappa and on eBay. All of them have never been opened. It's still factory sealed. So I'm going to pop this open. So let me pop this phone out and then show you what comes with the phone. And this is all brand new stuff. We get a charging cable, and that is it right there. And it is USB Type-C. And you get a USB Type-C dongle for your headphones, because this phone does not have a headphone jack. And you get a charging brick, USB-C. And I don't know if this is fast charging or not. I can't remember this particular phone is fast charging or not, but it was made in 2017, so you guys can try to figure that out on your own while you watch this video. And you also have another dongle, USB-A, USB-C, and paperwork, which I'm not going to show you, then it would give it away. So let's pop this. I don't know if this is going to have any power to it, but we will see. It's still nicely in the wrapper here. And what are we working with here? This is a Google Pixel 2 XL. Yes, the Google Pixel 2 XL. Right there. This could be your Freedom Phone. And you've seen plenty of these unboxings. There's a ton of them on YouTube. I don't need to go through all the specs and everything. My main point here is we're going to take this phone, we're going to install LineageOS on it, and we are going to see how close we can get to a Freedom Phone. And there's no power. because it's been sitting there probably forever. I mean, these things were made in 2017, I believe. But at any rate, yeah, this phone is still very relevant. It's not, it's not going to compete with the Pixel 5 or the iPhone 12 Pro Max, but when you're going to do something like this, you have to be aware that you are going to be giving up some stuff, and part of that is specs. So these phones, for what they were in 2017, great cameras, a fingerprint sensor, USB-C, Snapdragon processors, good RAM. This is a 64 gig variant, so there's a lot to be said about this phone. It's a great phone. It's not 2021 specs or 2021 performance, but with LineageOS on there, it should run pretty well and it'll give you a couple of years of use. And this one actually only cost me about $135, and that is brand new. You can find these for less than $100 used, easy. So if you guys are looking to do this, you just got to pick up one of these phones or any of the phones in the LineageOS device list, and you guys will be ready to go. At any rate, guys, that is it. This is the Freedom Phone for me. I am going to get to work on this weekend. Don't know how long it's going to take me. Got other things to do, but I'm going to try to get this done as quick as possible, get LineageOS installed. It'll take me a little time to write it up, and I'll have something out in the next week or two on my experiences. So you guys have a great Saturday, and we'll talk to you guys on the other side.